Hi, I'm Chris Ruggiero, and today I'm going to show you how to make a swordfish cherry tomato sauce, just how I learned to do it when I was in Italy. So first, here's our ingredients. We have a pound of swordfish, locally caught. We have some basil, garlic, 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, some salt, pepper, cherry tomatoes, and my favorite pasta, Flora pasta. First, I'm going to take our oil, put it in the pan, and then I'm going to put some garlic in there. And I don't even like to cut my garlic. I just peel it, I put it in whole, I love it like this, and after it cooks for a little while, you're going to see what I'm going to do with it. You're not going to get big chunks in your mouth. It's going to be great. So we're going to light it up, and we're going to let it sit in here for about 10 minutes until the garlic is golden brown. Our garlic is a little brown, just how I like it. And now it's time to take our tomatoes. Now these are cherry tomatoes. They're all different colors. It really doesn't matter what color you use. But we're going to put them in like this. And also, I'm not even going to cut them. They just go right into the oil. We're going to stir it up a little bit. And we'll let it sit for a couple of minutes. Put it on for 5 minutes before we add some salt and pepper. Our swordfish is cut, our sauce is seasoned, and it's been about 10-15 minutes. So now, let's check out the sauce and see how it's doing. This is exactly what it should look like. The tomatoes are starting to cook, and we'll just stir it a bit and gently push on the tomatoes, and you'll see that they'll start to break apart. And we'll do this every 15 minutes or so, and they'll break apart more and more until it looks more like a sauce instead of just tomatoes. Okay, we're back to the sauce. It's been about 15 minutes and you can see it's breaking down more and more, which is exactly what we want. Now the garlic is breaking down and you're able to press it and mush it in to make it more of a sauce. And so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put the water on for the pasta. We're going to use some of that pasta water in the sauce when the pasta is in the water to get the starch in here. And we're going to put the swordfish in for the last maybe 10 minutes when the sauce is cooking so the swordfish can cook. The sauce is looking really good, and so we're ready to put the swordfish in. What I did was I just put a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon of salt and some pepper in the swordfish to season it. Now we're gonna put it in our sauce, mix it in nice, and we'll put it on medium heat now, and we'll just cook it until our pasta is ready. And that'll be in about 10 minutes. So let's just cook this for 10 minutes and you'll see that it'll be ready. The fish is cooking in the sauce, and now it's time to cook the pasta. So the pasta's ready, but before we dump the water, I'm just gonna take 1 ladle full, put it into our sauce, and we're gonna mix that in. The pasta is strained. I turned up the heat on this, and we're just gonna now dump in the pasta right into the sauce. The heat is on high, and we're gonna do this just for 2 minutes. Even though my life before was tragic, now I know my love for her goes on. Every little thing she does is magic. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you enjoy what I make if you decide to make it. Before was tragic, now I know my love for her goes on. And I love her.